Well, the government has tonight published details of its social care winter plan for England. All adult social care providers will get free PPE. There'll be more monitoring of the movement of care home staff, and there are new guidelines for visitors to care homes in restricted areas. Our social affairs correspondent Alison Holt has more now from Lincolnshire.
For care homes across the country, a comprehensive plan to help them keep the virus out this winter is vital. Here at Hearts Home House in Lincoln, they look after nearly 50 people, many with dementia. For residents like Dorothy, staying safe has meant she could only celebrate her 90th birthday from her balcony, her family in the garden below.
We are able to swab different areas of the home to see how we're dealing with the COVID.
Staff have documented for us how coronavirus has transformed life in the home. They now use huge amounts of costly protective equipment. Today's government plan says all care providers will get that free for the next 6 months.
Carers now have to wear PPE throughout the day, masks, aprons.
Good morning, mate. Can I take your temperature?
Nationally, there will also be a chief nurse to provide guidance for the care sector. But here they want reassurance that this time their residents will get better access to health treatments if they fall ill.
This is their home, just as members in the community. It's just like a huge home for a number of vulnerable people. So it should be just whoever lives in here should be given exactly the same treatment as in the community.
Extra money has been provided to limit staff moving between homes, and the plan includes sanctions for care providers who don't do this as part of stopping the spread of the virus. Hearts Home is run by the Orders of St John. Across the charity's 70 homes, there have been nearly 250 deaths of residents with COVID-19.
It was exceptionally difficult.
The boss says he's disappointed there isn't more recognition of the work care staff have done.
What we need is a responsive, financially supportive system that wraps itself around social care to take us through the winter. Beyond the winter, we need to recognise very firmly that the social care workforce rose to the challenge, and now they need to be recognised and rewarded properly.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So you're all right then, Ron, are you?
And relatives like Glenn want clarity over visiting policies. He says not seeing more of his father-in-law has been tough.
Isolated from him is the word. I'd like to say isolated. I'd like to come and visit him. I know I used to come every day, and it's hard for me not to visit him every day.
The test of the winter plan will be whether it provides a care sector that's been through so much with confidence that support will be there if they need it. Alison Holt, BBC News, Lincoln.